Hey everyone, welcome back to Review and Review. Today we are going to unbox the iPhone 8 Plus.
Yeah! Not the hype I was expecting because I was expecting iPhone X, but we got the iPhone 8 Plus.
Why would you expect the iPhone X?
Because
it's not even out yet.
Yeah, that's why. It's not even out yet.
So why would you expect
I don't know. I just expecting it because it's still more of the hype.
The moment I've been waiting for. Actually, iPhone don't need pen knife. Right?
Really? Yeah.
Oh, the one time we have a pen knife.
And it's brand new. Okay, this is a brand new pen knife. Okay.
The one time we actually have a pen knife, we don't need it.
Oh wow.
Okay, so here we have the iPhone 8. So this is the new color.
Is it like
It's just gold. It's not rose gold. It's just gold.
they call it a 70s techno cream color.
It's so beautiful. Here it is.
I'm sorry to say this, but it looks exactly the same like the iPhone 7.
It does not look the same like the iPhone 7.
Really? Can you please tell me what's the difference? Besides the glass back, which makes it heavier, which also means that it's even more sturdy because from what I know, the glass actually makes it more, has more friction on it, and plus it's heavier than the iPhone S, so it makes it more sturdy in your hand. So now that you have a glass back, and I know how your front screen always shatters very easily, so now you can shatter front and back and be disappointed twice in your life with one phone.
No then. Dan just reads out tweets in real life and it doesn't sound as good. Dan is right actually that the design does look the same.
It's
so,
really
right,
standardized
the
now.
other stuff in the box.
Okay.
Completely forgot about that.
Charger head?
Oh, is this USB-C?
No.
No, it's not USB-C.
Oh, it looks like USB-C though.
So there's a lightning cable. That's about it. That's in the box. Simple. I have to say, because my iPhone 7 Plus does not have a earphone jack, I do find it an inconvenience. There have been times where I thought, yes, I finally got my earpiece and then I'm gonna plug it into my laptop and I'm like, oh wait, what?
The color scheme of it is very nice. The glass back even makes it look even classier.
One question though, when we buy the screen protector, do we have to buy both sides?
Oh. But you can still use the iPhone 7 size since it's the same.
Is it?
Yeah. Dimension-wise, it's the same, more or less.
Now let's power it up. Ta-da!
Right, so the iPhone 8 is water, splash, and dust resistance. Not waterproof.
Not waterproof.
Not waterproof.
Resistant. So it feels the same. Okay, welcome to iPhone.
Ta-da!
Yay, iPhone 8.
So the iPhone 8 runs on a processor called the A11 Bionic chip with a 64-bit architecture.
Cool.
Which means it's definitely a faster processor unit than the iPhone 7.
Let's take a look at the camera.
Yes, because that's what's most important here.
Cameras
the
are
camera.
always very important for us.
The camera, the back camera has a 12 megapixel and the front camera is 7 megapixel. So the back camera has an aperture that can go all the way down to 1.8 for the wide angle lens, and there's a telephoto lens that can shoot an aperture as low as 2.8. And so there's a tele lens behind, which means you can shoot actually very far.
How far?
About like 10 times zoom.
That's insane.
So as you all may know, everyone's favorite camera mode on the iPhone is actually the portrait mode. So they added a new feature to the portrait mode, which is the portrait lighting mode, which means you can choose your lighting so it's like a studio shoot, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I saw this
Right?
in the presentation. Okay.
So now, when you're ugly, you look uglier in HD. Okay, so stage light basically lights up the front of your face and darkens your background, so it makes it look like you're really on stage.
Oh, now it looks like a floating head.
So what it does is that there's an area where it concentrates all the lights in and where the rest of the background is all just darkened out.
So on the iPhone X, there's the portrait mode on the front camera, but not on the iPhone 8.
No.
So you gotta wait for the iPhone X to try that.
Oh, by the way, the camera can record video in 4K at 24 FPS, 30 FPS, and even up to 60 FPS.
That's slow motion for you.
A lot of good slow-mo stuff, and you can even take like an 8MP photo in between while recording a video.
Wow.
Yep. So the front camera with 7 megapixels shoots at 1080 with an aperture of 2.2, and it's always in auto HDR, and it has body and face detection. Both cameras have face and body detection, which means the subject can stay in focus better.
So the battery on the iPhone 8 can charge 50% faster than the previous versions, and that's about 30 minutes to full battery.
Wow, that's very fast.
It is fast.
But there's also a wireless charging feature to this phone, right?
There are already some chargers, like if you go to IKEA, you can see like a lot of their furniture have the wireless charging pads.
So, in conclusion, as an avid iPhone user,
Yes.
would you get the iPhone 8?
I did.
I mean, let's just say that we didn't have a review and review tech show, would you have gotten it? Or would you have waited for the iPhone X?
I would wait for the iPhone X. I'm really excited about the iPhone X. But I really think that this color is nice. That's all. Like I would buy this, I would pay just for this color. Yeah, so the prices start from $699 for the iPhone 8 and $799 USD for the iPhone 8 Plus, which is this. It is a bit expensive, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people who like iPhone would still buy it.
I see this going two ways though. It's either a lot of people buy the iPhone 8 or there'll be a lot of disappointed people with the iPhone X. Because see, iPhone X is very expensive, right?
Yeah.
So maybe they can't afford it and they'll have to fall back to an iPhone 8. And then some more iPhone X is, I'm guessing it will be very limited as well. So I think at the end of the day, a lot of people go more to iPhone 8.
Where does this theory come from?
I don't know, from the top of my head. I'm just guessing. Does it make sense? If it doesn't make sense, then...
I mean, it would make sense to me that iPhone X, produces extra phones because they know that there will be quite a high demand.
There will be a high demand, but
Unless
the thing is that
it
will people
really
be
gets-
able to afford it? That's the question.
That's why they buy off the telco for monthly subscriptions.
We'll see, only time will tell.
So Dan uses Android. I'm pretty sure he's not gonna get the iPhone 8. Would you get the iPhone X though?
It's very... I'm on the fence for this. Maybe
Why?
it's time for a change.
I think you should get the
Maybe
iPhone
it's time for a
X.
change,
I
because-
also think that you should sign up for a line rather than still use prepaid.
What if I told you I already did?
Nah, I'll tell you I don't believe you.
You just have to wait and see lah.
Oh. I'm gonna wait and see. Life is gonna change when I find out Dan uses a line. That's it for this episode, alright? Let us know if you would get the iPhone 8 or would you wait for the iPhone X. And yeah, let us also know what else you could do with the iPhone 8 because from what we see, it's very, very similar to the iPhone 7.
Wait, I got a question though.
Yes.
What happened to iPhone 9? Do you know why?
I don't know why. And don't give me a pun.
Because 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're done.
What I said about originality, Dan.
We're done. Okay, guys.